Tucked away in the middle of Karnataka lies the enchanting city of Ballari. This city is not just a dot on the map, it's a vibrant tapestry of history, culture and modernity. Ballari is a city with a cool past and a bright future. Its streets are lined with historical buildings that whisper tales of yesteryears, while modern infrastructure stands tall, promising a future full of possibilities. It's a place where old history and new industry mix together, making it a fun place to visit. The old monuments tell stories of ancient times, while the industrial areas buzz with the energy of progress and innovation. Ballari is like a door between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, its neighbor state. This strategic location has made it a melting pot of cultures, traditions and influences from both states. This makes it a mix of different cultures and traditions. Festivals here are a riot of colors, sounds and flavors, reflecting the diverse heritage of the region. As soon as you get to Ballari, you can feel its energy. The bustling street markets are alive with the chatter of vendors and the aroma of local delicacies, inviting you to dive into the local way of life. The people are friendly and strong, and you can see that everywhere, from busy markets to peaceful temples. Their warmth and hospitality make you feel at home, whether you're exploring the city or seeking solace in its serene temples. Every part of Ballari has a story. From the ancient ruins that echo with the footsteps of history to the local storytelling events that keep traditions alive, there's always something to learn and experience. Get ready to be amazed by its special mix of history, culture, and adventure. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or an adventure seeker, Ballari has something to offer. Old monuments and ruins tell stories of brave people, amazing art, and rich culture. The intricate sculptures and carvings in the temples are a testament to the artistic prowess of the past. Whether you like history, exciting cultures, or beautiful nature, Ballari will be a trip you won't forget. The scenic nature spots offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Your Ballari adventure is waiting. Pack your bags, set your spirit free, and get ready to explore a city that promises to leave you with memories to cherish forever. Ballari's spot on the map has made it what it is today. Nestled in the northern part of Karnataka, this city has a unique charm that blends the old with the new. It's in the north of Karnataka, strategically positioned to connect the state to Andhra Pradesh. This geographical advantage has played a significant role in shaping its cultural and economic landscape. The highways and roads that link Karnataka to Andhra Pradesh pass through Ballari, making it a vital transit point. This connectivity has fostered a rich exchange of cultures and traditions. This has created a cool mix of cultures, which you can see in the language, food and traditions. The local markets are a vibrant display of this cultural amalgamation, offering a variety of traditional Karnataka cuisine and hosting numerous cultural events. Ballari is where old trade routes met, showing how important it was for business and culture. These ancient roots have left a lasting legacy, evident in the historic markets that still buzz with activity today. Being on the Deccan Plateau gives it rolling hills and wide open plains, perfect for farming and beautiful views. The landscape is not just picturesque, but also fertile, supporting a variety of agricultural activities. The Tungabhadra River flows nearby, giving water to the land and making it even prettier. This river is a lifeline for the region, providing essential water resources for both agriculture and daily life. Ballari is also a big industrial city, famous for iron ore. The mining industry has been a cornerstone of its economy, attracting businesses and workers from all over. This has helped businesses grow, making Ballari important to India's economy. The industrial sector has spurred the development of a bustling business district filled with factories and plants that drive economic growth. This mix of history and progress makes Ballari special, a place where the past and present get along great. So the cityscape is a testament to this blend, showcasing both historic landmarks and modern architecture, making Ballari a unique and fascinating place to explore. Ballari's history is full of exciting stories about brave people, amazing art, and a rich culture. The city has seen empires come and go, and each one has left its mark. From the powerful Vijayanagar Empire to the Mughals, Ballari's history is long and interesting. The Chalukyas of Badami, who loved art, built beautiful temples and sculptures. The Rashtrakutas, who came after, added to the culture with literature and learning. But Ballari really grew during the Vijayanagar Empire. It was like a guard post, protecting the empire's northern border. Each dynasty added its own style to the city's buildings, food and culture, making Ballari the unique place it is today. Ballari isn't just about history and culture, it's a busy industrial city too. It's got lots of natural resources, especially iron ore, making it the steel city of South India. This has helped businesses boom, making Ballari a strong part of the economy. Finding iron ore in the early 1900s changed everything. Mining grew quickly, bringing in money and big industries. Now Ballari has some of India's biggest iron ore mines, sending materials to steel plants all over. But Ballari isn't just about mining. The land around the city is great for farming things like cotton, peanuts and sunflowers. The Tungabhadra Dam helps water the crops, making sure there's plenty of food. With its resources, skilled workers and good business environment, Ballari is ready to keep growing. Ballari's culture is as interesting as its history. Being between Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, it takes from both cultures, making a special mix. You can see this mix everywhere, from the language and food to the festivals and traditions. Karnataka's main language, is spoken a lot in Ballari, but because it's close to Andhra Pradesh, many people also speak Telugu. This makes the city feel even more welcoming to different cultures. Ballari's food is also super diverse. You can find tasty dishes from both Karnataka and Andhra with all sorts of flavors. From spicy Andhra food to milder Karnataka dishes, it's a food lover's paradise. Festivals are a big deal in Ballari, celebrated with lots of energy and excitement. Ballari is full of amazing historical and architectural places, each one with stories to tell. This city, located in the heart of Karnataka, is a treasure trove of history and culture. As you walk through its streets, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, whispering tales of glory and grandeur. From big forts to old temples, the city takes you on a journey through time. The ancient structures stand as silent witnesses to the passage of centuries, each stone narrating a chapter of Ballari's rich heritage. The blend of different architectural styles reflects the diverse influences that have shaped the city over the years. One of the most famous places is the Ballari Fort, sitting on a hill looking over the city. This majestic fort offers a panoramic view of Ballari, making it a favorite spot for both history enthusiasts and photographers. The fort's strategic location and robust construction highlight its importance in the region's defense. Built during the Vijayanagar Empire, it protected the empire's northern border. The fort's walls, made of massive granite blocks, have withstood the test of time, standing tall as a testament to the engineering prowess of the Vijayanagar builders. The fort's design incorporates both military and aesthetic elements, showcasing the dual purpose it served. Today, it shows how skilled the Vijayanagar builders were. The intricate carvings and detailed stonework are a marvel to behold, reflecting the artistic excellence of the era. Each carving tells a story, depicting scenes from mythology, daily life, and royal ceremonies. Near Ballari is Hampi, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This ancient city, once the capital of the Vijayanagar Empire, is a sprawling complex of ruins that transport you back in time. The sheer scale and grandeur of Hampi's architecture are awe-inspiring, making it a must-visit for history buffs and travelers alike. Once the Vijayanagar capital, Hampi is now full of ruins of palaces, temples and markets. These ruins, spread across a vast area, offer a glimpse into the opulent lifestyle and advanced urban planning of the Vijayanagar period. Walking through Hampi, you can almost visualize the bustling markets, grand processions and vibrant cultural life that once thrived here. The Virupaksha Temple, Vitala Temple and Stone Chariot are just a few of the amazing things to see. Each of these monuments is a masterpiece of architecture, with their intricate carvings, towering gopurams, and unique features like the musical pillars of the Vitala temple. The stone chariot in particular is an iconic symbol of Hampi's architectural brilliance. Another cool place is Anegundi, where the Vijayanagar Empire is thought to have started. This quaint village, with its ancient ruins and serene landscapes, offers a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Anegundi's historical significance and natural beauty make it a hidden gem worth exploring. It's on the Tungabhadra River and has old temples, pretty scenery, and a rich culture. The river, with its tranquil waters and lush surroundings, adds to the charm of the region. The temples along its banks are not only places of worship, but also architectural marvels that reflect the region's spiritual and cultural heritage. For nature lovers, The Tungabhadra Dam near Hospet is a must-see. This massive dam, with its scenic reservoir and surrounding greenery, is a popular spot for picnics, boating and birdwatching. The sight of the sun setting over the dam, casting a golden glow on the water, is a breathtaking experience that you won't want to miss. Ballari, with its mix of history, culture and nature, is a great place for an adventure. Whether you like history, culture, nature, or just want something different, Ballari has it all. Explore the ruins of Hampi, see the Ballari Fort, or feel the peace in Anagundi. Enjoy the city's vibrant culture, try the delicious food and meet the friendly people. Ballari is a place you won't forget. It's waiting for you.